welcome to One Way Home. Guys, I am owner and founder of One Way Home. My name is Kay, and yes, we do provide home decor items, but one of our specialties is beautiful, luscious, tall, 4 feet, fluffy, silky pampas grass. Pampas grass, as we know, it grows kind of invasive. A lot of regions label it invasive, but most of the time it's just a beautiful tall reed of grass that has these magnificent plumes. And you know what, it actually looks really beautiful in your home. Yes, so tons of people have kind of realized this over the years, and you know, pampas grass adds a beautiful color, texture, just beauty to the home. And yes, that includes your home. And you know what, I wanted to share with you just a few favorites that we really like, we prefer over most other pampas grasses. Now, the best favorite we have, as we call this one, is the cream lush. Yes, the cream lush. This is common favorite. You're probably very familiar with this one. Fluffy, silky. It's a very light, fluffy plume, and the plume is the top part of the pampas, and this is what we call the stem. You can always adjust the stems to your vase size, but the cream lush as well as the ivory lush that we have is one of our favorites, guys. So I just wanted to share that one with you. And white pampas, more of a draped plume. This one just kind of came out of a packet, so I just wanted to show you. We call this the Icicle White. It's very beautiful, very fluffy. It's more of a fuzzy style pampas. Again, you can always adjust the stems to your liking, but it's just very fresh. Once it falls and completely opens up, the plumes will fall down like so and drape, and it's just long, luscious stems, beautiful plume. And then, guys, we also have the grey brown. Now, the grey brown it's kind of like a blend between the grey brown. Again, this one just came out the pack, so it's not fully dropped yet, but another favorite to go with lots of greys, decor colors, darker colors, again, whites, and any type of maybe a floral that you can maybe blend it with. But the grey brown is very popular this season, this year, as well as last year as well. So the grey brown, again, guys, these come in the 4-foot size pampas. Just a couple of my favorites, definitely wanted to show you. So my most favorite pampas is this golden sand silky. Now, this is a favorite of mine because, again, it's more of the straight silkier plume. I'm just going to put it up so you can see that more, guys. And this one, yes, it's a female pampas, and male pampas, they do have male-female pampas, and a lot of people did not know that, but yeah, male-female pampas, and of course the female pampas is more beautiful. She likes to drape, she likes to spread her plumes out more so the plumes can fall and it can multiply. But more of the straight plume, it's very soft, it's very silky, and just like us females, very delicate. But this is one of my favorites. It's the golden sand, and the plumes on this one is less fuzzy, more straight. It more drapes to the side, makes a great wedding arch decoration, reception, wedding decor through the aisles, through the dinner seating areas. Absolutely beautiful. And again, we call this one the golden sand because it's a golden sandy color.